guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be creating a kind of sun and moon painting using the acrylic swipe technique, and then I'm going to be finishing it off with a bit of crushed glass. To help me find the center of my circle, I'm using part of the plastic that the canvas came packaged in. It's exactly the same size as my canvas, and then I'm folding that in half, and then in half again, cutting off the tip, and then placing the plastic back on the canvas, and that's giving me the center of the canvas. The diameter of this canvas is 16 inches, so that's about 41 centimeters, and I'm drawing in a circle that's 9 inches in diameter, so that's 23 centimeters, to mark off where the inside of the sun and the moon are going to be. To help me mark off where the sun and the moon split, I'm going to use this little sketch that I did on cardboard to mark that off. Now I'm going over those pencil lines with a glue gun to help me create a nice raised border. To create the section with the sun's rays, I'm going to start off with a swipe. Each of these colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. I'm swiping over this with a piece of plastic. This is crimson that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. And I'm using that and my palette knife to create some sun rays. I waited a day to give that some time to dry so that it wouldn't mix with the colors that I'm going to add now. On this side, I'm doing the same thing as what I did on the other side, just using different colors. This is what it looks like the next day with the blues that have also dried. To create the inside of the moon, I'm going to blend these colors together. And now for the sunny side. Off camera, I painted white on top of the glue gun sections to highlight the sun and the moon. I'm just giving the painting a quick wipe with some warm soapy water to remove the silicone oil, and then some plain warm water to clean off that soapy water. I gave that a little bit of time to dry, and now I'm going to use Mod Podge to apply the crushed glass to the painting to create some smaller sparkly rays. To make it a little bit easier to work with, I've poured some of my Mod Podge into this bottle. I'm using a wooden stirring stick to help neaten up the edges. On the sunny side, in addition to the crushed glass, I'm also adding a bit of gold glitter. I think it goes well with the warm colors on that side. I've given this a day to dry, and now I'm just shaking off some of the excess glass and glitter. And there you have it. I debated whether to paint faces onto the moon and the sun, but ended up deciding that maybe I'll just leave it like this. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.